Is today the day, Amanda, that you finally get your British ivy home you've been dreaming of having?
That makes me sound like a sad person that I'm waiting around in my life for my ivy-covered house.
No, but for reals though, Amanda and I have been talking about having ivy on our home for some time. It's something we've always loved the look of, like in other places, but for some reason you don't see it here as much because we live in a very hot desert. You do see it, it's just not as much.
Yeah, you definitely have to very much cultivate anything green here.
So we thought it was time, after being in our home for over 3 years, that we would finally go to the nursery and ask an expert. Not an escort. An
expert.
Am I not saying it right?
Saying it right.
Expert. How we can grow ivy on our home. Because we really don't know what we're doing.
It's true. We're going to go to the nursery and see what they've got there. It's already pretty hot this summer, but hoping that we can come home with some good climbers and get it going.
Here it goes.
Thanks to Outer for sponsoring this video. This is our new outdoor sectional from Outer, and it's super comfortable. It's a huge upgrade from what we had before, so we're really thrilled about it. All of Outer's furniture is eco-friendly, and they are a climate neutral certified company. Another cool thing is they are all completely recyclable. Another thing that will give you a lot of peace of mind is they have a 14-day guarantee, and so if you're not really pleased with your furniture, you can send it back with even shipping paid. I know for us though, this is definitely staying in our yard. We're really happy to have such a great big sectional out here, so much more comfortable. If you guys are looking for some outdoor furniture that's really durable and well made, and also eco-conscious, then Outer is a great brand for you to look at. And if you would like $200 off of your purchase, you can click the link in our description. What in the world?
Don't look at me. No, no! I'm a vampire. Close it. I made my blanket and iPad. Can you get it for me?
Yep.
Okay.
I was going to say that this is old-fashioned fun like we used to do when we were kids, but they are playing their tablets in there, and so I guess it just doesn't count. But they still constructed it at least. That's good old-fashioned screenless fun. Jump up.
I can't get out. What, Mom?
What do you call this place?
We call it the free box house.
The free box house. I like it. Wow. You okay there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're here at the nursery, and we brought Desi along. Desi loves to come with us. In fact, he was in his car seat, so don't think he came like this. He would love to be up front, though, wouldn't you, Desmond? Yeah. So I was just looking at these rattlesnake toys. I think these would be beautiful in our yard. Maybe rather than doing vines, that would be like the it factor that we need. No, but seriously though, why would you put this in your yard? I mean, I guess it's only $20, so. You want this, Desmond? Yeah. He wants this. We could just put it in our yard. It says here free information, but so far nobody's coming to help us know what to do.
Well, you know, you get what you pay for, so it is free information. All right, we just got some expert advice, which is so helpful when you're trying to figure something out like this. I would have never thought of this, but apparently in our climate, grapes are an excellent climber, and you get the fruit bearing of the grape, and they're pollinators, which I think is really great to, you know, add to the local ecosystem. My aunt actually has like beautiful vines growing up her house, and we realized that she was combining a fast-growing perennial climber with an evergreen climber, and they're kind of mixed, and it looks really awesome. So that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, I think what I like about going with these is that they do grow fast. And I honestly, it seems like we're never in a house long enough to see our landscaping flourish. So
Oh, you hush up. This is our forever home.
it's a forever home. So, no, I like this idea. And I like the idea that the kids were like, I'm hungry. I'm like, well, go climb the house and pull some grapes, right? So yeah, we're gonna go with these. The only problem with these, of course, is that they're not evergreens. So in the winter, they will die, which is why we're gonna mix them with a evergreen that does take longer to grow, but I think it's actually really pretty as well.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look really nice. So this is a Concord grape. Anyway, it's obviously not ripe, but I could imagine that. I think that's really cool
When
idea.
will that one be done?
When would it be done?
Do you want to grow grapes on our house?
Yes.
So these are the evergreen ones that will stay year-round green, because that's what evergreen means, right? So again, the only problem with these is we love the look at them. We love that they stay like this all year round, but they say they take a lot longer to grow.
Yes.
So we have some of the grapevines, and we're gonna need a lot more than this, of course, and we're gonna get some of these as well. I just gotta figure out where we wanna plant them.
Yep.
Okay, so here's a wide shot of our house, and right now we're trying to figure out where we want to put our new grape vines.
Grapevines and our Algerian ivy.
That's true.
Yes. So we probably would stagger them. I'm thinking 2 on either side of the windows on these gables. We have like on the far left of the house, we probably put 2 more over there. So 6 on this wall, 4 over here, and maybe 4 on this east facing wall. Maybe some of you have ivy on your houses and you can tell us how you liked it. I think it's supposed to even give the home like added insulation from what I've heard. So I think it could be really charming. It's something you don't see a ton here. Honestly, it's been one of those things we've talked about like once a month since we've moved in type of thing. So it's a good thing for us to explore.
One thing they did tell us about is that it will get into this mortar. So that can actually kind of damage the house a little bit, but honestly, I don't care. I mean, hopefully we move by then. I don't know.
Shaye.
We'll see. Amanda, maybe you have your dream fulfilled of having your British house in the middle of the desert.
Yeah, it's kind of like a Cotswolds vibe, whatever, English cottage. And yeah, I think it'd be really nice. We could just grow ivy on everything, all the walls, every wall of the house.
Everywhere, inside the house even.
So this will probably take at least a year or 2 to spread and grow and flourish. So we're going to get these planted, and we'll definitely be giving you guys an update about how it's going. I'm kind of excited about mixing the vines. I just think it sounds really cozy and beautiful. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care.